by deploying to forward locations outside the United States. And the use of air refueling gives the B52 a range limited only by the crew endurance. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands in the air and wave to the crew from Barksdale Air Force Base in the mighty Buff